In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create geometry nodes only on certain faces. Let's create a UV sphere. In edit mode, let's Alt and Shift select the faces like this. Shift select the triangles at the top and the bottom. We need to create two materials. Ctrl 3 to subdivide, and right-click to shade smooth. In order to make this work, we must activate a hidden setting. Here are the full nodes. There are two materials, and there are two material IDs. In order to tell Blender to fill the geometry nodes only onto the material ID 1, we must assign it properly. It's difficult to find the hidden setting under the geometry nodes modifier settings. That won't do anything, because we haven't assigned the material index yet. What we must do to do this is simple. Click this button, and make sure the selection turns black first. Click the black region and select the material index. This is the end of the tutorial. Thank you for watching.